I recently went on a quest to find the best digital alarm clocks out there, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After testing 5 different models, I can finally share my honest insights on what works and what doesn't in the world of alarm clocks. Let's dive into the details. Product number 1. Amazon Basics Small Digital Oval Alarm Clock. My experience with the Amazon Basics Small Digital Oval Alarm Clock was pleasant and straightforward. Right out of the box, I appreciated its compact size and sleek black design, which easily blended into my nightstand without taking up too much space. The 0.7-inch green LED display was bright enough to read without being obnoxious, making it easy to check the time at a glance, even in the dark. One night, I found myself fumbling for my phone to check the time, but then remembered this trusty little clock. I was able to see the time immediately without the blue light of a phone screen ruining my night vision. As I settled into bed, I quickly figured out how to set the alarm and even enjoyed the built-in nightlight feature, which gently illuminated my room without being too harsh. The repeating snooze function became my best friend during those groggy mornings. I loved that I could hit snooze and grab just a few more minutes of precious sleep. However, while the clock is AC powered, I noticed that it also has a battery backup feature that retains memory for up to 8 hours in case of a power outage. This gave me peace of mind knowing that I wouldn't miss any alarms if the lights went out. Pros include the user-friendly design, the dual power source, and the gentle nightlight. However, it does have a drawback. The battery backup doesn't illuminate the display, which might not be ideal for everyone. So, why should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, basic alarm clock that covers all the essentials without breaking the bank, this is it. For just $8.99, you get reliability, ease of use, and a neat modern look that fits in with most decors. Product number 2. Sharp Digital Alarm Clock. The Sharp Digital Alarm Clock caught my attention with its traditional design and easy-to-use controls. Upon receiving it, I was impressed by how compact it was, fitting perfectly on my bedside table without taking too much space. The illuminated red LED digits are striking and easy to read even from across the room. One night, I tried setting it up without looking at the manual, and I was pleasantly surprised to find how intuitive the keyboard-style controls were. I had it set up in no time. The alarm sound is loud, which is perfect for heavy sleepers like me. I also appreciated the 9-minute snooze feature, allowing me to catch those extra winks without feeling guilty. However, it requires 2 AAA batteries for the backup, which I had to buy separately. I wish that was included in the package, but it's a small trade-off for the convenience. Pros include its simplicity, clear display, and reliable alarm sound, while the downside is the need for extra batteries. Why buy it? If you're looking for a straightforward alarm clock that won't confuse you with too many features and will wake you up without fail, this Sharp model is a solid choice at just $9.99. Product number 3. Messcool Digital Projection Alarm Clock. Wow, the Messcool Digital Projection Alarm Clock is a game changer. I was excited to test out its 180-degree rotatable projector, which allows you to project the time onto the wall or ceiling. Setting it up was a breeze. I positioned it on my nightstand, and with a quick twist of the projector, I could see the time shining brightly on my ceiling while I lay comfortably in bed. No more straining to see the clock. The 5-level dimmable brightness is a fantastic feature, especially for those sensitive to light. I usually set it to the lowest level at night, ensuring it doesn't disrupt my sleep. I also love that it has dual alarms. I could set one for myself and another for my partner, which helped us both wake up on time without hassle. The adjustable beep alarm with progressive volume is also a standout feature. It gently eases you into waking up rather than startling you awake. On the downside, it's corded, so you'll need to keep it plugged in at all times for full functionality, and the batteries for backup aren't included. Why buy it? If you're a heavy sleeper or someone who appreciates innovative features, this clock is definitely worth the $20.99. It's a fun and functional addition to any bedroom. Product number 4. Roxacosley Day Clock. The Roxacosley Day Clock is a treasure for anyone needing a little extra help with time management or reminders. This clock features a massive 7-inch HD display that shows not only the time, but also the date and day of the week, making it super easy for seniors or anyone who struggles with remembering dates. Setting it up was straightforward. I was able to customize the alarms and reminders with ease. What really stood out to me are its 20 normal alarms and 20 custom reminders. I set alarms for morning wake-ups and reminders for taking my vitamins. What a lifesaver! The icons that pop up when each alarm goes off are colorful and clear, helping avoid any confusion. I also enjoyed the one-touch sleep mode, which turns off the display instantly for those nights when you just want complete darkness. However, the clock requires a power adapter to function, and the battery backup is only for storing settings. So why buy it? If you're looking for a multifunctional clock that aids in daily living, especially for seniors, this is a fantastic option at $26.99. It's not just an alarm clock, it's a complete time management tool. Product number 5. DreamSky Wooden Digital Alarm Clock. The DreamSky Wooden Digital Alarm Clock is a beautiful blend of functionality and aesthetics. When I first unboxed it, I was enamored by its wooden design. It looked great on my nightstand and added a touch of warmth to the room. The 1.8-inch large numbers are incredibly easy to read, which I found helpful during those groggy mornings. One feature I valued was the adjustable brightness dimmer. I could set it to my preference, ensuring it was bright enough to see during the day, but not too glaring at night. The USB charging port was a bonus. It allowed me to charge my phone without needing another outlet. The alarm itself is adjustable from low to loud, suitable for all types of sleepers. The downside is that the clock doesn't run on batteries for the display. It needs to be plugged in to function, and the battery is only for the alarm during power outages. Why buy it? If you want a stylish alarm clock that's easy to read and functional, the DreamSky is a great choice at a competitive price. It's an excellent gift for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance to their bedroom. After testing these 5 amazing digital alarm clocks, I can confidently say that each has its unique strengths. Depending on your needs, be it simplicity, features, or style, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Happy waking up!